Inside this package is the Pixel Watch LTE Matte Black Edition. It's just arrived in the post. Today is the 12th of October. I ordered this on the 7th of October at about 8:30 p.m. at night. It retails for 650 Australian dollars. However, I used a coupon code from the local guides for 15% off. Local guides coupon code that came into my email mid-August, and I had a feeling I might want to use that for one of these a couple of months later. So having a look at the packaging, you can see it's the matte black version and it's got LTE right there, so that's how we tell it is the LTE and black edition when it's on the shelf. Let's take a look at what's inside. There we go. Very nice looking watch, alongside my very aged Frontier S3. It looks a little bit smaller, but it's not as small as people have made it out to be. Very top heavy on the band. That is quite literally just a blank piece of cardboard with the Google logo on it. Some safety warranty information there, and a getting started guide right here. All the usual stuff. This is purely cardboard. It looks like it might be the charger, but it's not. Let's crank this open. Underneath here we have the shorter band. I may need to use that. My wrists aren't exactly small, but they're not exactly large either. So in here is the charge cable. Let's have a look. Oh, fidgety things getting these out. Right, so it's a USB-C connector on at the end, and we have a good, how long would that be? 1 meter. It's a 1 meter charge cable. Clips onto the back there. I don't think it matters what the orientation is, which is great. Let's have a look at this strap. So the strap tucks in under there, clips on there. We'll take off the Frontier and see how this fits on my wrist without swapping it out for the shorter length cable. Well, it's almost too big. It's about right though. Alright, let's may as well turn it on. I assume we hold down the power button to turn it on. Yep, there we go. First time booting up. While that's happening, let's have a look at what this says. Getting started. Unlock your phone and turn on Bluetooth. Press and hold the crown on your watch for 3 seconds. Follow the steps on your phone to finish the setup. Put on your watch. Remove your watch. Detach a band. Attach a band. What's included? Cleaning, and we're here for you. There you go. So the grey Google logo has turned to the colour Google logo with a little loading bar towards the bottom. You know what? Might just remove it from my wrist, because my wrist is going to get very sore trying to hold it like that for too long. I am recording this from my phone, so unfortunately I won't be able to show the setup process through and through, but at least I can show the first boot process. There we go. little haptic vibration in the background there. English Ireland, English United Kingdom. We'll go with that. On your phone, download and open Google Pixel Watch, which I've done already. In Google Pixel Watch app, connect to this watch name, Google Pixel Watch 004G. Cool. That's about it though, guys. Quick unboxing. It's pretty much as close to launch day as you can get. These aren't in stores yet, but I expect them to be in stores tomorrow. I'm now going to see if I can get this connected to my Telstra account. It's $5 extra for the LTE service, but that's about it for today.